I left my window open for this video. The birds are singing today, and it's a pleasant, beautiful, natural sound. But from what I can tell from my tests, most of what the microphone picks up will be cars and honking and maybe some people walking by. I just really crave that nature. But what does it mean to be natural? What does it mean to live in a state of nature? It's not perfect harmony, is it? This horse is grazing peacefully, it seems. But the truth is, the horse is hungry, and it must eat. And it will eat whatever it must. The horse is hunting. These horses are taking life. They are devouring the weak. They are devouring those that cannot run, plants. And they will kill and maim countless little lives before their time is done. For they are in a state of nature, killed and maimed by some other predator. Why then do we crave nature? Why then do we reach for this imaginary ideal of how things should be, of what we were made for? We were made to starve. We were made to hunt and kill. There's no good in that, is there? Or if there is good in that, it's good that it preserved us, that it molded us into a thing that could do good. If there is good in that, it is only in the necessity of its evil. I crave nature. I crave the song of birds. But those birds will take more lives than I could dream of. Be those the lives of insects, the lives of seeds. And these songs that they sing, they're not songs. They're signals, clear and efficient to them. There's no artistry, simply calling out for mates, for territory, to ward away or distract predators or threats. I crave nature, but that is only the nature in me. That is my nature to crave nature. It is not the good of me. The good of me knows that I have a responsibility to transcend nature and to leave it behind me.